Hello everyone again. Hi. So guys, this is our last moment in Karachi, Pakistan, and I wanted to say some words about this experience. I wanted to say thank you so much for my friends from Peshawar. They know.
Yes.
They know.
Thank you so much, guys.
So thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for your hospitality, for your nice welcoming, for
See you
your
next
love, for your everything, caring, and hopefully to see you soon again. Thank you so much for people from Islamabad for the same things. People from Karachi. And I'm so sorry for people from Lahore because I could not go to Lahore. But I promise next time I will make a very nice trip again in Pakistan and I will go in different areas.
Soon.
Yes, but I want to go again to Peshawar and I want to spend more days there. And thank you so much for everything. Love Pakistan. All my respect and see you next time.
Long Pakistan.
Live long Pakistan.
And you love it, right?
Pakistan. Enjoy it.
Guys, thank you so much. आप सबके प्यार का लोरेदाना को मुझे आप सबने बहुत प्यार दिया and we have great experience. हमें पेशावर में बहुत मज़ा, मैं तो हुई पाकिस्तानी लेकिन मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ इनको लेके जाके. आप लोगों ने जितना प्यार दिया, जितनी इज़्ज़त दी, जितनी रिस्पेक्ट दी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग. Especially from Peshawar, Islamabad, Karachi, wherever we were.
Yes, everyone.
She got so much love, respect, even I, and thank you so much for everything.
And Pakistan is safe and is a great place to visit. And for those who hesitate to come here, please guys, come. Believe me, you will
Pakistan
enjoy.
is, most safe country.
Yes.
That's all.
Kiss you.
Bye guys.